Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 35. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so 1, 3, 1 and 3 here, so 4, 6, 4 here, so 1, 3, 6, 1 here, so 3, 4, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so 1, 7, same here, 1, 7. 1 and 8 here, so 4, 7. 7 here, so 1, 4, 8. But now if we look back at that box, the only place the 8 could be is here. And now the only place the 4 can be is here. That 4 makes this our 6. We can get rid of this 6 and this 6. Now that means the only place the 4 can be in this box is here. If we look at this column now, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column, oh, we have a 3 here. That means this is our 1, 3. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this top row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. And that 5 is covering here and here, so the 5 has to be here. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 6. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 7, 8. 4, 5, and 8 here means this is our 7. 5 and 8 here means this is our 4. And that 5 makes this our 8. And our 5 has to be here. For this box now, we're missing a 9. That 9 makes this our 3, 9. For this column now, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7. And I don't see any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 4, 4 here, so 2, 6, 2 here, so 4, 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 7. We've got 1 and 6 here, so 4, 7. 6 here, so 1, 4, 7. So now if we look across that row, the only place there can be a 6 is here. That 6 makes this our 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 8. That 8 makes this our 4, 9, and that 4 makes this our 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 7. 2 here, so 4, 2. That 7 makes this our 1, 7. Now we can get rid of this 7. For this column now, we're just missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. That 7 makes this our 1, 7. And that 1 makes this our 4. And for this box now, we're just missing a 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.